Welcome to Scotland!
If you're new here, we've been taking on the Scottish Highlands in our converted SUV camper. It's been an epic journey so far, so if you haven't watched our previous videos, go check those out first. This week we're exploring some gorgeous gorges, windy roads and shelly tribes what almost certainly isn't to Scotland. So stay tuned for the final instalment of our NC500 road trip.
Good morning from a very sunny and rather warm Scotland, despite me still wearing a puffer jacket. I'm actually warm, I could take it off. But we have gone on a lovely little gorge walk. There's some waterfalls and stuff behind, little 2 or 3k hike to start the morning, just half an hour out of Ullapool. And yeah, it is a beautiful morning and we are absolutely reveling in the sunshine. Maybe a little too much. I think we're both a little bit red from driving and got a little bit sunburned in Scotland. Who would have thunk it? Not us. That's why I didn't put sunscreen on.
Here's the waterfall we've come for.
No.
Just kidding.
Ooh, water flowing down there.
Here's another little pretty waterfall. Nothing on the main event.
We haven't got there yet, don't we?
We haven't got there.
Got another. Got a fancy suspension bridge to go over. Gotta wait. Only 6 people allowed on it. Looks pretty nice. And then we're nearly the main event. It's only like a half an hour walk. It's not that dramatic, but a nice way to start the day. That's amazing.
Oh, I don't like the edge.
You don't like it? It's beautiful. Over there's a little viewing platform we're aiming for. How you doing? It's really cool. Sun's still out. That was super lovely. A nice little walk. So I'm gonna walk back to the car now, and on the agenda today, find some castle ruins and explore. Really still haven't found any Highland coups, and I really fancy a bakery. So I think try and find a bakery, good one if we can.
Yeah.
They're kind of far and few between. There's a few good ones, but yeah, countryside, not quite good Australian coffee. Snobby as I sound.
We followed the coast around, but we were constantly stopping to admire the scenery. And to be honest, you can't blame us.
It's so beautiful, but it is very hard to get anywhere on the NC500. Just constantly pulling over for views, but it's a bit chilly. The weather has definitely dropped. Temperature.
Yeah, it is cold.
But there's no wind and this is just stunning. We're just driving along a beautiful loch. I mean,
This is the ocean.
is it?
Yes.
Oh, that's why it's so big.
Yeah.
Thought I was being smart.
Pretty sure Ireland's that way.
Really?
I think
That's
so.
cool.
Geography.
We're in the cute little town of Garlock.
Gaylock.
I don't know. But it's beautiful behind us, mountain views, a little overcast, but we just pulled up on top of that hill there. We had a nap, we watched some Netflix, had a bit of a chill. We're both a bit knackered from all this amazing driving and scenery. And then we've just gone for a nice big walk through town. It's just such a cute little quiet town. And found the cutest little cafe with actual good coffee. Like,
Yeah, it was really nice.
really nice coffee, some cheese scone that was not scone-like.
Got a shell.
This is apparently a scone. I mean, I'm not lying, it looks delicious. I'm eyeing up a really good blackcurrant scone, but I've got a coffee. It's the first good one I've had in like, I don't know, over a week. I'm missing my Belgian so much. The reason we didn't pack it on this trip is it gets so hot. There's no way to put it in the car, so we need to make something. But for now, instant coffee has been, anyway, this is great. But it was good. Yeah, and now I think we might just go back, chill. I might do some yoga. I've got a little bit of work to do, and then we found a nice spot, this next town about an hour away. But yeah, just enjoying the quietness. I think on a sunny summer's day, This water is like bright blue from some of the photos I've seen, with the mountains in the background, and it's just so quaint. Yeah, very cute. It's nice to be able to pull up in a camper van and hang and just do what you want. Camper van, car conversion, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, have a little nap and yeah, get on with your day. Best part of it. But if you can see that church over there, just by the water, we're parked just behind that church, had a nap, so we've just come a lovely walk through town. It's very, very cute.
Lovely.
It's the simple life. Had some fresh hot showers, which is amazing, and I've just driven down the road to Shieldag, something like that. A little bit cramped in there, but $5 for the night with toilets. And check out this view. But it's cold, so we're going to the pub for a pint.
What an absolute paradise we found. It's unreal. Good morning.
That morning, we set off to take on one of the highlights of the NC500, the Applecross Pass, a steep, winding mountain road promising epic views.
Feeling lazy. This looks so sick. Oh my god, this is epic. We're not even on the proper crossing yet. Ooh, this is getting good. What a morning too.
As it was still early, we opted to go for another loop around and made our way down the other side, around the headland and back up the other side.
This place is stupid pretty, it just keeps getting better. Now I feel like we're back in New Zealand. Got snow-capped mountains, the sun shining through. Now we've just got to get like a cool bridge shot or something.
That's just unreal, isn't it?
Got some traffic. Hi guys.
We found a coup!
Finally! Finally found one! They're so cute! Oh, hi, bud!
So we just stopped in at the Applecross Inn.
Really nice little pub.
It was a really nice pub. It won heaps of awards. Delicious food, lovely staff.
They were so busy, but like they served us like that, and we got their like famous. Well, it said prawns served in garlic butter.
They were more like miniature crabs.
They were amazing.
They were like crab prawns.
But we did have to Google how to undo them
Yeah,
because they gave us all these.
They're so different to Aussie prawns where you just rip and eat.
Looked a bit silly, but that was yummy. We had that and some chippies. The sun is out, and yeah, we've got to make some tracks because I've got a hens party to get to in Edinburgh tomorrow, and we're still quite some way from Edinburgh. So we are on the road again. It is a lovely afternoon. It's unfortunately quite chilly outside, but the sun is out and it's not too windy, but it is very, very crisp.
It is fresh. It's crisp English weather. Or British.
Scottish.
Scottish.
Alright, on the road, and we get to now, because we did it again this morning, we get to pass up over that fancy little pass again on our way to Lochran.
Nine.
500!
Hey, NC500.
And on cue, it's raining. Oh, blue skies though. It was pouring 1 second ago.
After coming down the Applecross Pass, we pretty much just raced it back to Inverness as it was just pouring of rain the entire way. After Shelley left for Edinburgh, Nick and I went to the Benriach distillery to sample some of the finest whiskey from the Highlands.
Sugar, 1 lemon.
Alright, hear your reaction. Noise. If you say so yourself.
The NC500 truly is a road trip worthy of its prestige. Despite not finding those ruins as we raced around pretty quick, you could easily spend far longer taking your time. But we had a blast, and besides a couple of rainy spells, Scotland really showed off its best side for us, and I couldn't recommend it enough.
I don't think the birds of Scotland like our car very much. How gross.